Hey, welcome to the spring cleaning edition. Join me today. So I have finally started filming the spring cleaning edition. I know it's a video I've been saying I'm going to do for some time, but it's been so hectic and it's now after Easter. I'm going to officially start my spring cleaning a little bit later this year, but yeah, life happens and you can begin spring cleaning at any time whenever you're ready. There's no judgment really. But I prefer try doing it a little bit prior to Easter. But this year, so many things have been happening. So I am officially beginning it today, which is April. So yeah, April the 18th. I prefer to start in the kitchen because I tend to think that's where I spend most of the time and most of the dirt and most of the forgotten things are. And spring cleaning to me is a little bit more than just, tidying up. It's a seasonal change, so that also includes the type of food I'm going to be eating. So I just like to clear my cupboards first because I need to budget in terms of food. What am I going to be eating? What am I going to be cooking? Am I going to need any of these ingredients? Can I put them away until next season? You know what I mean? So I tend to just basically plan around that. And this cupboard has probably not been cleaned since before Christmas or probably after Christmas. So I've still got things from Christmas, baking, and I just found this random spot. I don't know what that is that's spilt over there, so that needs a bit of a clean. So spring cleaning for me is more than just a deep clean. It's just a new new phase of life, and you just evaluate. Like I said, for me in the kitchen, am I going to be needing specific spices? Am I going to be needing specific stuff? So whatever I'm not going to be using, I'm going to be putting it away. So I'm going to start with that right now. Some of the stuff is going to stay because I like to eat specific food, same type of food all the time. I'm just going to incorporate a little bit more salads and stuff. But yeah, I just like to start off in the kitchen. Please let me know in the comment section below if you have already started your spring cleaning and have you done a kitchen deep clean. Does yours look like mine? Or am I a little bit on the extra side? I do think I'm a little bit extra actually, but that's just me and that's just how I feel my household runs better. So I'm going to be using the floor to disinfect any spillages that would have happened inside there. Um, I'm using this new fragrance. I bought it like prior Christmas and it smells okay. It's a little bit too strong actually, but it does the job. I'm going to try and do a little bit less strong toxic products as I go, but I need to finish all the products that I purchased prior rather than giving them away. So yeah, I'm just going to continue that for a while. And also, somebody asked me how come I don't have music on my videos. I've been trying to maybe put more music, but if I'm honest, sometimes more people prefer the ASMR, and I actually prefer cleaning in silence. I feel like it also cleanses me as I clean rather than having loud music in the background. But then again, some people are different. They prefer having music. So let me know in the comment section below if you also prefer having music, or do you prefer silence, or do you prefer ASMR, or do you prefer me talking? Um, I'm actually doing a little bit more talking because the background has got like kids' music playing in the background and lots of people talking. So I was decluttering whilst I had family visiting. So yeah, that's why I'm doing quite a lot of talking, and I didn't realize it's going to be so exhausting to do this amount of talking. But yeah, please let me know in the comment section below if you prefer ASMR or do you prefer music. How do you clean? Do you clean with music playing, loud music playing? Does that motivate you? Or do you just prefer cleaning in silence like I do? And I also want to take this opportunity to thank everybody that is just joined and subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate you. If you are into deep cleaning and you enjoy watching people deep cleaning and you need the motivation, this channel is for you. If you have any recommendations or you would like to see specific things, please let me know in the comment section below and I will do my best to do that for you. If you are new and you are enjoying the content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and look forward to more cleaning videos. We're going to be doing a bit more spring cleaning, so look forward to that. If you can't wait until then, please try look at other videos on this channel, and I will see you guys on the next video, which will be another spring clean with me. And you guys have a lovely day. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it was motivating. And yeah, have a lovely day. Bye.